EZRA naweza pata bedsitter safi. I'm telling you, these I'm presenting today, this is the best finished bedsitter ambayo nimeona. Okay? Ongojea tu ujionee wewe mwenyewe. Now, wale wamekuwa wakiniuliza, EZRA kwani unafanyanga tu house hunting Nakuru peke yake? Hapana, sasa due to public demand, we are expanding. Okay? Unajua niko wapi? Niko Kiambaa kwa bridge. I was on my way to Nairobi and then nikaona this nicely finished apartment, Astra Heights, Astra Studios, yeah? Astra Studios iko hapa Kiambaa kwa bridge on the highway. I am telling you, I was impressed na look yake tu ya nje, the workmanship, ukiangalia paintwork nini, color scheme, everything inakaa tu nyua. Ngoja sasa nifike ndani. Oh, I have been blown away. I'm telling you. So, wacha uangalie bedsitter hapa, alafu nikuonyesha ingine, kuna ya 13 na kuna ya 12, and you'll also understand why kuna that difference. Lakini hii kazi shwari kabisa imefanyika hapa. Okay? Aya, now wacha tuende hivi so that you get to see. So, I'm going to show you that one and this one here. Okay? Two of them. So, let's start na hii hapa hivi. Hii ni 414. Okay? This room here. Now folks, yani ukiingia tu kwa hii nyumba tu, like ukisimama tu kwa mlango, unaangalia tu vile kila kitu iko neat. Angalia tu paintwork pale. You know, neat paintwork. I'm really impressed, you know, by what I'm seeing here. Okay? Na niko hapa Kiambaa kwa bridge. Then nikikuja hivi ndani, you know, this is a bed sitter. So just again, look at the walls pale, angalia tu finishing. It is spotless paintwork bana. You know, I'm really impressed, okay? Alafu the guy ambaye alichagua pale the cabinetry, you know, aliblend tu na hiyo, the, you know, the color of the you know, of the house, okay? Sasa angalia tu maze, this is a bed sitter. I really love what I'm seeing here. Cabinetry pale, you have a sink here, okay? Tuone kama kuna maji. Alright, maji iko. Okay, maji naona maji iko. Alright, nimeona kuna tanks kule juu. Alafu cabinetry pale for bed sitter jameni. You know, this is enough. You know, even the way they have been arranged. The workmanship hapa in this house imenifurahisha sana. Let me just point to you that you see here, okay, some fundis, they don't put this layer here. Okay, akishaunganisha tu hizi MDF huku hivi wanawachanga tu hivyo wanasukuma ndani. That's what I'm telling you, the workmanship hapa. Okay, it's very good. So now compare these and then compare the floor tiles. You see, just compare the floor tiles and these. The person ambaye alipatiwa the interior finishes za hii nyumba, they know what they are doing. Huyu unafaa ni kuwe namba yake. Okay, this is neat. This is neat. Okay, even the grout, you know, on the tiles here. See, you know, I just love this. Leo nimesema we have to talk about workmanship. You know, even the grout ambayo imeshikanisha your tiles, it is well done. Now, they have internet, okay? Internet has been installed hapo. So, wewe ukikuja, utachagua tu ile package ambayo unataka, alafu unalipia pole pole. Okay? So, for those folks, especially young guys who work from home, this is a gem. Okay? This is a gem. All right? Now, another important thing here is the wardrobes pale. Angalia zile wardrobes alikupatia. The guy wamefanya interior design here, he knows what he's doing. Okay? Look, I like the choice of materials, everything that is picked here. You know, the wardrobes, you know, the material there and the floor tiles. I'm just impressed by this studio. Okay? This is wonderful. Okay, let's look at the partitioning pale. Now, another fundi huku kwa ukuta ange opt to ikue tu ni wall. Okay, the wall. Lakini this one hapa, because anajua kazi anafanya, bado kule nyuma ni MDF. I mean, when it comes to finishing, this guy here, hata project kubwa ikikua, huyu apatiwe tu hiyo project. These are people I will highly recommend. Okay, the organization hapa, angalia tu jameni. This is good. This is impressive maze. You know, this is good. This is good. Eh? This is good. Now, the architect pia alifanya kazi yake safi. There is a large window on that end. There is another window on this end. The apartment ni see-through. Nikiwa huku mpaka kule, barabara ndo ile pale, the highway, Nakuru Nairobi highway. Pale chini unaona they are working on that underpass. You know, ikue fiti. You know, hapa wapi? Hapa Kiambaa kwa bridge. the bridge ndo hii hapa, they are working on that highway, yani pale underpass mambo ikwe Lualala. Alafu hapa nyuma, you know, there is a tap out here, good quality, you know, just look at that maze, proper quality. The floor tiles again superb. There's another power socket hapa nje. The paintwork, I'm telling you, it is just awesome. This is a beautiful apartment, okay? So ndo mimi tena nimesimama hapa, like you see all the way from hii pande mpaka ile pande ingine. So natural light, you know, even today with the weather ikiwa hivi gloomy hivi, you know, overcast, hakuna jua, bado the apartment is nicely lit. Sasa imagine wakati wa jua, imagine wakati kuna jua. Ni wapi sijakuonyesha washroom. Stay tuned, usiende popote, tulia nifungue mlango. Bas, angalia hapo ndani. Look at the finishes in this apartment, okay? Angalia tu toilet, clean, you know, sparkling maze, you know, angalia wall tiles, angalia tu. Mimi nakwambia the folks ambao wamefanya interior design huku ndani, huyu mimi akue tu kwa list yangu, you know? Ile kuna jenga zangu, I want this guy, okay? I want this guy. Ile kuna jenga yangu, the guy hadi anajua the toilet seat should come first before the shower area, and the shower area is sunken pale kidogo, at least kuzuia maji isiende the other end. I'm telling you, these are people who know what they are doing. These are the people we should be giving projects to do, bwana. Look at this, man. Look at this. Kia amekuwekea hapo vizuri, sink ndo hiyo hapo, pedestal sink, you know, the paintwork in this house mimi napenda, the workmanship, yani ukiangalia tu kila kitu, it is just in the right place. Na niko Kiambaa, you know, niko hapa Kiambaa kwa bridge along Nakuru Nairobi highway. I'm really impressed by what I have seen here today, you know, I'm impressed by what I have seen here today. Huku wapi? Huku Kiambaa kwa bridge. Impressive. I love this. You know, these are folks who know. These are folks who know what they are doing. You know, these are people who know what they are doing. Hawa ndo watu wanafaa wapewe kazi bana. Kazi za ujenzi zote, give watu kama hawa hapa. Alright? These are folks who should be given all jobs bana, za ujenzi. This is beautiful. Now, this one is 13. You know why is 13? So, ukikuja hivyo na hiyo stairs, so your house begins from here. So, this one here, the central unit here, this one is 12,000. So, it is just slightly smaller in terms of, you know, square foot. Okay, the plinth area, this one hapa, ni kidogo, you know, it is self-explanatory. So, unaona mahali ile nyumba inafika, na hii mahali inaanzia. But, I just love the openness here of this crib. So kukuonyesha tu, this one is 12,000 and the other one is 13,000. And most importantly guys, they have private balconies. Wameweka hapo, those are rails za wewe kuweza kuhang your clothes huku nje, and then you have beautiful views of traffic pale, you know. I'm telling you maze, this is beautiful, this is nice. So now up until that point, folks, mpaka hapo jameni, my number is 0791055678, lakini inaweka namba ya agent wa hapa, utampigia tu direct, manake mimi niko mbali, niko hapa, niko kule. So for now utapigia tu agent wa hii nyumba, alafu you will be able to book a unit here. Kama unatafuta bedsitter, basi hizi ni studios, hizi si bedsitter, these are proper studios. Subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV for more house hunting around Kenya. Yes, anywhere sasa tunaenda. Sawa. See you in the next one. Haya.